Hi, it's Linda and Paul from Green Life Soils. You may not know it, but we make every one of our soil mixes right here on site, and we use a number of different quality ingredients in them, and Paul's going to talk a bit more about why.
All these ingredients here are what we use in our soils. So there's four main aspects that we focus on. There's the soil structure. It relates to the particle sizes and how they relate to each other. The nutrition, so that we make sure we get a broad range of nutrition and trace elements. The microbial life, which break down that nutrition and make it available to plants. And the pH of the soil. So we may use a number of these different ingredients, such as clays, Charlie charcoal, biochar, and different composts. They all bring different values or elements to the soil.
So next time you're looking to grow, come and see us and talk to us about how we can make an ideal soil for you.
Thank you.